area.
Yes. This is the code area, the middle part. Okay. And these colorful blocks, these are blocks, code blocks. These are called as code blocks. Here, these all are colorful code blocks.
Can I ask a question?
Yes,
What are code blocks?
it's here. Let me show you. Can you see my cursor here?
Yeah.
Okay, so these colorful things, when I click it, I can see different type of blocks. These are code blocks, different color of blocks. It's blue, purple, pink, yellow, and more other colors. So first, tell me, do you have your Scratch account, everyone?
Yes, we do. I
Do
mean,
you have? Can you log in that? Kaylin?
no.
Kaylin, what about you?
No.
Can you? No? Can you go and log in inside your Scratch account or no?
No.
No. Okay, so no problem. Just look at my screen today, okay? From the next class, we'll make an account, okay?
Yeah.
Okay, so no worries. So let me delete this. So these are the code blocks, which you can see here at the corner. It's here. Okay, so we have how many parts? 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay, let me label them. Let me write down 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 parts here on the screen. Okay, so now a question for all of you. So what is part 3? What is my part 3 called as?
The stage area.
Yes, good job. And who knows what is part 1 called as?
Huh?
Part 1. 1. What is my part 1 called
Code
as?
block.
Code blocks. These are code blocks. 1. And who knows where is my sprite? Who knows?
Scratch area.
Where is my sprite?
In number 3.
Number 3, sure.
Number
4.
4.
4, yes. 4 is my sprite. Good job, Mark. What about backdrop? Where is my backdrop? Who can answer? Anyone else from Kolinda and Mark? Kaylin? And yes. Anyone else want to answer?
It's 5.
It's 5. Yes. Who answered that?
Me.
Who, Mark?
Yes.
Okay, good. Nice. So yes, now all of you know what this part is. Okay. And what about 2? Number 2. Nobody told me about this. Yes, Kume? You please unmute yourself. We are not able to hear you. Unmute.
It's the backpack.
Drop.
No, no, the number 2.
The backdrop.
This one, the middle part.
Middle.
Is this code area?
Yes.
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 So this is the code area, okay? So now let me show why this is called as code area, okay? This is called as code area because I can pick
You put
any
codes
code
in
block.
it.
Yes, I can pick any code block from here. I can just click it over it and drag it over here. Anything. I can bring any code block here. From this part to this part. From the block part to the code area. Anything I can bring it. I can bring it here. I can bring this here. I can bring this here.
I know
These all are
something.
draggable.
I know something.
Mhm.
One time when I was making a scratch project, I pressed something and then I saw lots of stuff that we can learn, and then the block was on here.
Okay, great. So now, if you bring any code block, just look at this. Let me keep all of these back. And let's say I bring this one. If I want to test it, I will go on this code block and click on this. Look at my sprite now.
It's
Look at my cat
moving.
sprite. It's moving
It's moving.
because I have used this move block. It says it ordered my sprite to move 10 steps. So when I click it, it's just doing this. Just look at this. My cat sprite is moving. Whoops. And now let's keep it back. Let's try something else. What do you want to try, Mark? Tell me any code block you want to try from here.
Turn 50 degrees.
Turn 15 degrees. Okay, let's try this. Okay, when I bring it here and when I click on it, look at the cat. It's turning. Every time when I click it, it turns 15 degrees. Okay, so just like that, you can bring any code block here in your code area and test it.
Oh, I know one.
Yes.
Can you go to random position?
Okay, this one.
Yeah.
Yes, you can use this as well. So when I click it, my cat will move to random position on the stage area. Any position. Whoops, whoops, whoops. When I click over it, it's moving. Good. And now let's think about it. Why there are colors here? Why there are so many colors here?
Because you don't only want to have only one code block that you can only put only those stuff. You need more stuff.
Oh, okay. I think anyone want to answer this? Why there are so many colors here? Anyone else? Huh? Okay. So yeah, can you see there are categories here? First is motion, second is looks, third is sound. So to make this category, to recognize this category, they have used some different colors. For motion, they are using blue color. For looks, it's purple color. For sound, it's pink color. For events, it's yellow color. And there are so many other colors. Okay? So now okay, good job. Now, if you have copy and pen, just write down the name of every part, what it is called as. Do you have copy with you? If you have copy with you. Okay, so the first part, again, the same thing. What about the first part? Who can tell me what it is called as? This one? One. What this part is called as? Anyone?
It's the control.
No. I'm just talking the whole part. It's the control, you are right. But this whole part, like if I move it up, this part of the screen is called as block, code blocks.
It's
The
the
left
code area.
code. Yeah, it's the code block. And the middle part, this one is code area. If you want to write it down, just to memorize it. Okay, and this one is stage area. This one is sprite, and this is backdrop. Okay, so Kaylin, do you want to write it?
Yeah.
Okay, so the first is on the left hand side, code blocks. Second is code area. Third is stage area. Fourth is sprite, and fifth is backdrop.
Thank you.
Okay, done? Okay, so now let's move on to this cat. What is this? Let me erase, first of all, let me erase my drawing now. Okay, okay. What is this? This cat
It's where you
with
get
plus.
the sprites.
Yes.
It's where
Yeah.
you get sprites.
Yes. So now let's try it. Let's get a sprite.
Press it.
So when I click on it, it says choose a sprite. So when I click it, whoa, there's so many sprites here. Just like that cat sprites, there are so many sprites here. So let's choose any other sprite. So let's choose a dinosaur. It's here. When I click on it, it will come here in the stage area. This is my dinosaur and this is my cat. Now let's say I want to remove this cat. So how can I remove it? There is one delete button here, cross. And when I click on it, it will be deleted.
So what are we going to do with the dinosaur?
With the dinosaur, we'll think about it. First, let's bring a nice backdrop here. Okay?
Okay.
How to choose a backdrop? Anyone knows?
I know.
Mm-hmm.
You go to the, you press it again, and then the zoom, you press
Okay.
a different one, and then
Yes,
you
now.
press it
Okay.
again, and then
Okay.
there's different stuff.
Okay. So let me press this, choose a backdrop. There is one, this frame. When I click it, it's here. So there are so many backdrops here. So let's say I want to choose this one, blue sky. Now my backdrop is here. Previously it was white, no backdrop. This time I want to bring this, clouds and grass. Okay?
It's beautiful.
Yeah, it's beautiful. Now, one thing, I want to save my project. I don't want to lose it. I want to work on the same project in the next class. So how can I save this?
I know.
Okay. You know? Okay.
You can go to the file
Five.
over here,
Uh-huh.
and then you press it,
Yeah.
and then after that you go to the last block.
Okay, good job. Good job, Colinda and Mark. Okay, let me explain it once more. Okay, so when I click this file, it says save now. Okay, use this save now to save your file. If you want to change the name of the file is here. It's untitled 58 right now. For example, I want to make it something like, what should we call this? Dino?
Yes.
Okay, so let's give it a name, Dino. Cute Dino. Okay, let's give it a name and then go to file and then say save now. Now my project is saved. It's here. It says it's saved. It is saved now. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, and if I want to check this out again, if accidentally I close it, okay, let's do one thing. Accidentally I did this. Okay, and I want to go back to the same project. How can I go back?
I know.
Yes.
Go to the files next to the cat,
Okay.
and then press it. Not that one.
Okay.
Not that one.
Which
over
one?
here.
Okay, the suitcase?
Yes. And then press it.
So the suitcase is where all of your files are saved. Okay,
And then
this
you
is the
can
suitcase.
see, and then you can see all the projects you made.
Yeah, it's here. My cute dino is here because I saved it. It's here. And then when I click it, see inside, I will go inside the project again. Okay, so remember to save your project every time and you can find it from the suitcase. Okay?
And what?
Okay,
Can
now.
we move the dinosaur?
Yeah, now let's think about it. What do you want to do? So I will go one by one to everyone, okay? And you have to tell me what do you want to do with it. Okay, we'll think about it. How can we do it? So Mark, do you want to go first? What do you want to do with the dinosaur?
I want it to move.
To move. So let's think about it. Let's try to find out, is there any move block with the help of which we can move it?
I know. Move 10 steps.
Move 10 steps. Okay,
10
let's
steps.
bring it here. Okay?
And then press the green
And
flag.
okay.
Press the green flag.
Okay, so I want to make this dinosaur move when I press this green flag. This is my green
Press it.
flag. Right
It's
now, if I press it, nothing will happen. If I want to make it move, when I press the green flag, I have to go to the events. It's here. Bang,
Yeah, you
green
go to
flag,
the
click.
events and then you take when clicked
green
is
block.
controlled.
Yeah,
Yeah, when
and
clicked.
good job. And
And
then
then
move 10
click
steps. So
it.
every time when I click the green flag now, my dinosaur will move 10 steps.
1, 2,
Oops.
3,
And I'm
4,
clicking it again and
5,
again and again and again.
7.
Okay? And
Goodness,
now,
it's
yeah, if you want to try, if you are on your scratch, just try this. Okay, and let me move to the next candidate who want to say, Kaylin, do you want to do something with this dinosaur now? So Mark has moved it 10 steps. Now what should we do?
I want it to turn.
Turn. Okay, so turn block is here. Is this correct? The second one? Okay, so now let's bring it. And yeah, test it. Let's test it. Oh, your dinosaur turns. You want to do this?
Yeah.
Yes? When do you want
Yeah.
to do this? After moving or before moving?
After move. Before.
Before? So if you want to do it before, we have to place it before move. Okay? And if you want to do, if you want to turn your dinosaur after move, then you have to place it here. So remember, the sequence is important. What thing you want to do first will go first. And then move. Okay? Now let's test it. Okay, who can say what will happen to the dinosaur? Any guess?
Know.
Yes?
I know.
It will
It
turn and then at
it
the
will turn
end,
and walk.
Yes. Anyone else who want to tell?
I know. When it's walking, when it reaches the corner, it's gonna turn.
Okay.
No,
it's gonna
turn.
Mhm.
It's gonna turn first when it's walking, and then after that, it's gonna walk.
Okay. Okay. I think it will turn first, then it will walk. What do you
Let's
say?
go.
Okay, let's try it. Let's go and let's turn and then it should move. Well, it's not moving.
What's happening?
What happened to it? Let's make,
Turning.
yeah, it's just turning. It's not moving. Let's make it steps big. I think we are not able to see this. Let's do it now.
33.
It moved, I think, this time.
Yep, a little.
Yes,
Just
because it is very
100.
big. The dinosaur is big. So let's make it move more steps. 50 steps. Okay, now let's try it. Just look at this. It's moving now. It's turning and moving.
Oh.
Turning and moving. Let's make it something big, more bigger.
I have
Make
a question.
100. Okay?
I have a question.
Yes.
What if we change 15 to 51?
This 15. This 15.
Yeah.
Right? Okay, let's do it. Why not? Let's try it. Let's put 51 here. Okay? I think it will. Any guesses? What will happen to the dinosaur now?
It will turn while moving.
Yeah, it will turn and move, but this time it will turn more, right?
Yeah.
Because last time it was 15. So let's try it. Let's press the green flag. Whoops.
It turned.
And it moved too.
Oh.
It was moving. It was turning more now.
It's turning like a circle.
Yes. Whoa. That's
Whoa.
great. Ah, wow. We have done a good thing today. Yeah, accidentally, I think we did this because Marcus suggested to move it 51 degrees, and that was good. So, any other suggestions? So, who want to go next now?
I do.
Okay, Kulinda, what do you want to do?
I want to make it go in circles 100 times.
So, how can we do that? Encircle
Are
100
you
times.
sure about this?
Yes.
So yes, Kalinda, do you know how can you make it move in a circle?
Yes.
Yes, tell me.
Go to the orange
Go to the orange. Okay.
and then
Mhm.
get this block.
Which one? First, second,
Next.
third.
The
Fir-
third one,
Third, forever.
and then put it in between the other one.
Okay. And like this.
Yes. Now
Sure.
press the green flag.
Perfect.
Okay. Okay, let's press the green flag.
Whoa,
Whoops.
what's happening?
Wow. What is this?
It's going
Wow.
forever.
It's
Oi,
crazy.
it's glitching.
Let's stop it.
It's glitching.
Let's stop it. With the help of this button, you can stop it. There's one stop and start. The green flag is start. Red is stop. So I've stopped it. Do you want to see it
Good.
once more?
Yeah.
Yes.
Let's do it.
Yeah.
Yay.
Oh,
Why is it's going on? It will never stop. Why it's going on the same thing again and again? Because Colinda tried this forever. This forever is like it will go on again, the same thing again and again. The same thing going on again and again, okay? It's happening and it will not stop. It will
I have a
turn
question.
and move, turn and move, that's it.
I have a question.
Yep.
Can you go to wait 1 second?
Okay.
Change 1 second into this one on control. The first one.
Control the
one,
first one.
control. Okay,
Not
this one.
that.
Yeah. This one.
Yes.
Where do you want to place it now?
I want to place it here.
Here?
No, down.
Here?
Down.
No,
Here?
yeah.
Sure.
And you
Remember, the
and you
sequence is
change
important. Mhm.
and you change one into 50.
The
That
turn,
means we have to wait for 15 minutes to do it.
50 seconds. Yeah,
Fif-
it's seconds. Wait 1
Fif-
second. You want to increase the wait time?
50 seconds.
Okay, let's try it for 1 second and then see what will happen, okay? Let me do it for 1 second, okay? So let's press
Okay.
green. Now look at this. It moves like a clock.
It's going crazy.
But you have added some wait time, so it's not crazy this time. It was moving like a clock. It's moving just like a tick, a second hand of your clock, right? Because we have added this wait time. You have added this wait time. It wait for 1 second, then the same thing. Wait for 1 second, then the same thing. Wait for 1 second, then the same thing.
It's repeating.
Yes, it's repeating because there is forever. We are using this forever, the same thing again and again.
No.
But there is wait. So now let's try what Mark said. Let's make it 2 seconds. Now look at the dinosaur.
Oh, it's 20.
Okay, let's make it 20. That will be a long pause. Okay. Now, yep. It will move slowly now. It will
Very
wait for
slow.
20 seconds. Yes, 20 seconds. You have to count 20 and then it will move. Okay. So let's make it let's make it 2 so that we will not wait for a long time. Okay. So this was nice. Now whose turn is next? Yes. Can you please repeat your name? Sorry, I forgot. Can you please write down your name here? Change the name in your Zoom, if you can do it. Or just write down the name in your in the chat. Do you know how to write down in the chat? Yeah, it's here, chat.
Watching what you're packing. While watching what you're saying.
You just type it in the chat.
Oh, I'm
We're waiting
finished.
for you. Okay.
I have a question.
Yeah.
Would you mind if you stop the action of the dinosaur?
Yeah, sure. Kavera. Okay, thank you. Kavera, right? Okay, great. So yes, Mark, what are you telling me? You want to stop it?
Yeah.
Okay, yeah, we can do it. Stop. Okay. So let me ask Kavera. Okay, then I will come back to you. So yes, Kavera, what do you want to do now with the dinosaur? We are not able to hear you. Are you muted?
Pardon us. We're hearing you.
No. Can you hear Kavera? Mark? Can you hear her?
No.
No.
No, we can't hear you.
Has she left the class or
No,
she
she's
has just
here. She's here. It might be she has some problem with the mic.
maybe you should tap on this mute thing and you press the mute.
She's not muted.
How
Yeah,
about-
you're muted. You're muted, Kavera. You're muted. So you have to unmute yourself. From the Zoom. From the Zoom screen, go to your Zoom screen. You have to use this mute. There is one mic on the Zoom screen at the bottom. No. So let's do one thing. No problem. Just write down in the chat. What do you want to do? Okay? Okay, so meanwhile, I will come to Mark. Yes, Mark. Let her write down, then we'll finish that. So Mark, what do you want to do now? You were telling me something.
I want
Uh-huh.
I want to change 100 steps into 1,000 steps.
Okay. Yep. That will be funnier, I think. Let's try it. Oops, where's the dinosaur now? Oh,
Don't worry.
there it is now.
Where?
It left the screen. It's here. I can see
Oh,
it still.
I can
Yep.
see it still.
Yes, it's here. Golita, can you see the tail?
Yeah.
Where's the dinosaur now?
I don't
Where it
know.
is? Where it is? It's not. Yeah, it's here.
I
Oh,
almost.
Whoops. Oh, that's
Maybe that.
bad. I want to bring it back. What should we do now? Kaylin.
Should we change 1,000 steps into 100 steps?
Okay. Kaylin, do you want to try this? Let's make it 100 so that it will come back on the screen, I think. Yeah, it's coming.
Yeah, finally.
It's coming. Yep. But again, ooh, it's yeah, it's not on the screen now.
It's not.
Now it's coming. Now it's coming down. Whoops.
Down.
Yes. So now let's do one thing. Let me suggest you guys one thing. Let me suggest you guys one thing, okay? Kavera, I'm coming to you, okay? I will check out your chat. Just one thing. Just look at this. Let's bring this go to. As my dinosaur is going out of the screen, I will use this go to. I'm using go to x0, y0. X and y0 is the center of the stage area. X and y0, x0 and y0 is the center of the stage area, this center part.
How about you do 50?
I want to bring
50.
it to the center part.
You
I've
should
used
put
this
it.
go to. Yes?
You should put it down.
What?
You should put it in forever.
Okay, okay. Uh-huh. Yes, let's do this, right? The sequence. So forever, I want to bring it to the X0, Y0, then turn, then move, then wait. Now let's click it. Yes. Now it will not go out of the screen because it will be here forever at this position. Okay. Now let me go to camera. I will come back to you, Mark. Okay. Okay, so I have sent, I want to say hi. Okay, you want to say hi? So yes, let's go to, where should it be? How the dinosaur will say something? Any guess?
Go to sound.
Sound? Okay.
Yeah.
So sound is like, it's not a sound. It should say something. I think let's check it
Go
out.
to purple block.
Purple, yes, go to looks. The first one, say hello for 2 seconds.
Hello.
Choose.
Yeah, and there is one more, say hello.
Hello.
Okay,
Let's choose say hello.
say hello. Okay, and let's choose say hello. Okay,
Hello.
it's not saying hello.
Wait.
Yes, why it's not saying hello?
Because it's not in the right.
Let's do one thing. Let's bring this say hello inside.
Yes.
Okay.
Hello.
Hello, and it's
You might come just
turning.
change and then my clashes of speech.
Sorry.
Yeah.
Who was saying something?
Me.
Okay. So let's
How about-
make.
How about
How
we
about
make
let's change hello to hello guys, I'm a
Yes.
dinosaur.
Yeah, that would be great. I just
but
want to say
how do we
Can
know
you
who
hear
he's
me?
saying hi to?
hello, class. Let's make him say this. What about this? Hello, class.
Hello class.
Yes,
That
it's saying hi to everyone. Whoever is here.
is outside, not at the
No.
classroom.
Sorry,
He's not at the classroom.
it's not. The dinosaur is not in the classroom.
Yes.
By the
Okay.
way,
So let's ask. Okay. So is this good, Kamira? Do you want to change the text? Hello, class is okay.
Yes. It's okay.
Let's ask Kamira. Okay.
okay.
Yeah, because she told us to do this. So let's go and say hi to a friend. Okay. So hello, friend. Hello, friend. Is that good?
Yeah.
Okay, let's do it. Hello, friend. Okay. Great.
Hello,
friend.
friend.
Okay, and now let's save this. How can I save this?
Go to the file.
Okay. What about you, Kaylin? Do you know how to save this project?
Yeah.
How? How can I do this?
You press save now.
Okay. So save now is here. If you are not able to see this save now, you can save it from here also, from file.
No.
Okay. So let's do it from here. Save now. Now it has been saved. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. And one more thing. Now I want to bring one more sprite here. How can I bring one more sprite here?
You go back where you were.
Here,
Yes.
let's press this.
There's a lot of sprites.
Yes, so anything. Mark, do you want to choose any sprite from here?
Yeah. Me, I
There-
want to choose. Me, I want to choose cat 2.
Can you
Cat
hear
two.
me?
Yes,
I mean,
yes,
Can you
yes,
hear
we
me?
can.
Can
Yes,
you go to
yes, we can hear you now,
pen.
Kamila.
Pencil?
Yes, so cat 2. It's here. Cat 2 is here. So both of your sprites are here. But my dinosaur sprite is very big. I want to make it small. So I will go.
Go to paint.
Okay. So I want to change the size from here, Kulinda. I want to change the size from here. This is my
I-
dinosaur, and its size is 100.
I have. I
How about
I
change size 10?
it hat.
Okay. So please tell me one by one. Yeah. Who was telling me? Mark?
Yeah.
Yeah. What do you want to
Change
tell?
size to 10.
Change size to 10. Says Kulinda, what do you want to do?
Change size to two.
Okay. So how can I change the size? There is one code block. Is it here in the looks? And it's here. Change size by 10.
10.
Okay. Now let's click it. Whoa.
It's
It's
big.
making my dinosaur bigger. I want to decrease the size. I don't want to make it big.
I know.
Whoa.
It's
It's
small.
getting big.
Yes.
Make it to 252.
Whoa, it will be very big. I don't
Make
want to
it
do
to
that.
2 to 2. Make it 2 twos.
2,
Yeah.
22?
Yes.
I think it will be more big then. Oh,
Not okay. Just
Whoa.
try.
No, I want to make it small. Who can tell me how can I make it small? I don't want to make it bigger.
I know.
Yes.
10.
Change size to 2.
2.
2, 2.
Okay.
That's 2.
Oh, it's increasing. Still it's increasing. It's not
How
decreasing.
about one? How about you do it to 1?
How about minus? Minus 2.
Minus 1.
Yeah, let's try minus 1 or minus 2. Because plus was not working. Let's make it minus 1.
It's
And
shrinking.
It's shrinking? Yeah. Yes, it's shrinking now. Oh, yeah, it's getting smaller. Let's make it smaller fast. Minus 10. Let's change the size by minus 10.
Smaller, smaller, and smaller, and smaller, and smaller.
Oops.
It's a toy now.
So,
Yeah,
The
there is one more
dinosaur.
thing. Now let's
Go
remove
to the
this.
cat first.
Okay, let me show you one more thing. Let's remove this. I don't want to use this code block. There is one size here. Can you see the size here?
Yes. Yeah.
You can change the size directly from here as well. How? Let me show you. Okay, let's make it 50. Does its size change?
yeah,
50, right?
It's
Now,
bigger.
it's bigger now. Let's make it 60.
Oh no.
Yes, you can change the size directly from here as well. Let's make it 80.
How about 600?
That will make it
1,000.
if you give me a number greater than 100, it will be very big. The dinosaur will become very big. So let's try 500.
Minus 1.
Look at this now.
Yes, it's big, bro.
So,
Let's make it
so
even more bigger.
bigger, bigger,
1,000
and bigger.
Yes, you can change the size like this.
Bigger.
You can try it on your Scratch account. Okay?
Okay.
Right now, I want to make it to size 80. Okay? So let's give it a size 80.
No, it's shrinking.
It's not shrinking this time. It will be size 80 every time, okay?
Yeah.
Okay, I'm not doing the same thing again and again. I just change the size and then do this. Okay, now let's change the size of the cat from here. So give me a number smaller than 100. Let's change
98.
this. 98. Or little bit lesser than 90.
Plus 80. Plus
81. Okay, let's try 81. 81. Now my cat is smaller, okay? And then now let's try to do one thing with the cat. Let's try to say this cat something to the dinosaur. Yeah. How can I make this cat say something to the dinosaur? Kaylin.
And you go to the blue motion.
Okay. It's in the looks, I think.
It's in sound.
Yeah,
Is X like this or is it like this? Which one's X? Is X up and down or is X left and right? You got a 50-50 chance to get it right. Just guess if you don't know.
X is left and right.
Yeah, that's correct. And then that means Y is what?
Y is up and down.
Yeah, just like the Minecraft map. Does anyone play any other video games that use coordinates? Anyone
No.
know? So even though Minecraft shows you coordinates, every video game uses coordinates. That's how the code tells the gaming character and the sprites and things where they are. So let's see, scroll up so we can see your code, your penguin code. Did you get rid of it all? Do we have any code on your dashboard? Like the coding blocks, like the puzzle pieces? Show me those that you had. I think you got to scroll up. So like this is all blank white. If you scroll up, you might be able to find some of your coding pieces unless you got rid of them.
They're not there.
Oh, okay. So somehow you got rid of them. Okay, let's add some. Or right click on this white area. Right click on this white area. And okay, yeah, we don't have any code. Okay, so let's get when green flag is clicked. And then go to motion, and that motion is how we move sprites. And then what we want to do is we want to add go to X, comma, Y.
This one.
Uh-huh. And then change that to 0, 0.
Okay.
Okay, and click on that green flag. All right. Now change it to 100, 100. And Marin, can you hear me? Marin, can you hear me? Are you there?
Yes.
So have you done coordinates before, Marin?
No.
Have you played Minecraft before, Marin?
No.
Was that a no? Leave your mic off mute so I could talk to you for a bit, okay? Because it's cutting your voice off. So have you played Minecraft before, Marin?
No.
Okay. So do you see the screen, how it says 100X and 100Y? And do you see where the penguin went?
Yeah.
Okay, now what I'm going to ask Tima to do is change it to -100 and -100. And Marin, I want you to guess where on the screen is it going to go, okay? I'm going to give you options, okay? Is it going to go to the A quadrant, the B quadrant, the C quadrant, or the D quadrant? And don't click green flag yet until I say, okay? Oh, that was a terrible D, wasn't it, guys? You guys didn't even make fun of me for my terrible drawing. So Marin, when he does -100 and -100, what do you think it's going to go to? A, B, C, or D?
C.
All right, go ahead and click the green flag. Let's see if Marin has got his coordinates down. Tima, do you agree? You think it's gonna be C too?
I don't think so. I don't know.
Okay, click it. Let's find out. Good job, Marin. So as you can see, we have negative 100 here and negative 100 here. So when you combine them both together, you follow the line. So what you do is you find the negative 100 on the X, which is right here. You guys see that? And then
Yeah.
you find the negative 100 on the Y, which is right here. Then you find where they connect to each other, which is right here. And that's how coordinates work. Does that make sense?
Yeah.
All right, so
Yeah.
ready for the ABCD test again? Okay. Barack, I want you to play along with this one too. And Tyler, if you can see you have a free minute, you can play too. Let's change it to 100, negative 100. So 100y, negative 100. Okay. Oh, you weren't supposed to click the green flag yet. Don't click
Oh,
the
I'm
green
sorry.
flag yet. Okay,
My
let's try
bad.
again. Change it to this time. Let's do 100, 100.
It's gonna go
A, B,
on
C, or D. Everyone
B.
shout it out. Everyone
B.
use their mics.
B.
What do you
B.
think? Everyone thinks B?
B.
Brock, what do you
Yeah.
think?
B.
B? Okay, let's click green flag. Let's see. All right. Now do negative 100, positive 100.
Because it's gonna go between those two numbers.
No. For X, I want negative. For X, I want negative. Okay. Now click. What do you guys think? A, B, C, or D?
A.
D.
What do you guys think? We got an A, we got a B. What else? What else? Anyone else have
I
an
said
idea?
D.
D, you think D? Okay, what else? Brock, what do you think?
A.
All right, click that green flag. Wow. So all the A's got it right. Okay. Now let's do 100 and then negative 100. So positive 100 for the X, negative 100 for the Y. Okay, what do you guys think? Wait, don't click it. What do you guys think? A, B, C, or D?
D.
Barack says B.
D.
Did you say
D.
D or B, Barack?
D.
Oh, D.
D.
Marin said what?
D.
Tyler
D.
says B.
I'm saying D.
You're saying D. Okay, let's click that green flag. Let's see what happens. D. So what we do is we find the 100x. I'm going to get out my annotate. So X is left to right, right? The orange line is X. The blue line is Y. So we find positive 100. Negative is over here. You see the little minus sign right here. That's negative 100. We want the positive 100 on X. And then we want the negative 100 on Y. And then we need to draw lines to make them connect to each other so we know where the penguin will go. Okay, now here comes a trick question. I want 0 on X and positive 100 on Y. Okay, what do you guys think? A, B, C, or D? What do you think, Brock? A, B, C, or D?
It's gonna go in C.
So did you see the numbers, Brock? It's 0 on X 0 on X, and then 100 on Y.
Oh, it's gonna be D.
Think it's gonna be D?
Yeah.
Okay, Tyler, what do you think? Tyler says C. Tima, what do you think?
I think D.
You think D? And who are we missing? Who did we lose? Oh no, we lost somebody. Oh, there's Marin. Marin, are you back? Marin, can you hear me? Make sure you turn off your camera to help the internet. Turn off the camera, it'll help speed up the internet so you don't crash anymore. All right, Marin, do you think
I
it's
can hear you now.
all right? Do you see we have 0 for X and 100 for Y? Do you think it's going to go to A, B, C, or D?
D.
All right, go ahead and click the green flag. Let's see what happens. This one was a trick question, and I'll show you why. Because the X is 0, it stays in the middle on the orange line. But because the Y says 100, it goes up. But it's kind of in A and B, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Right? So, because X was 0, it stays in the middle. So now switch it to 100X and 0Y, and you guys guess where it's going to go. So change X to 100 and change Y to 0. Now, where do you guys think it's going to go? A, B, C, or D? And I'll give you a hint. It's 2 letters. It's going to be 2 letters again.
I think it's gonna be between L and D.
Oh, it's not supposed to be a L. You're making fun of me. It's a C. I'm sorry. I'm so bad at drawing. It's A, B, C, D. Here, we'll do this. You're just making fun of me, aren't you?
Yeah.
Okay. All right, go ahead. Let's see what happens. Let's click the green flag. B and D. Did anyone think that was going to happen?
No.
No.
Okay.
No.
So here's what we're going to practice, okay? I want you to do 200 for the X and then 100 for the Y. And can anyone use the annotate? Does anyone know how to use the annotate in Zoom to draw on the screen?
Yeah.
Does anyone? You've done that before?
Yup.
Okay, I'll share my screen, okay?
Sorry, I left.
I assumed it was just technical difficulties. Okay, erase all your drawings so we
Okay.
can play this game, okay? Now, I'm gonna do a when green flag is clicked. I'm gonna do a go to just like we were doing before.
I
Oops.
can't see your screen.
Oh, did it stop sharing? Let me try it again. Oh, it's weird. Can you see it now?
Yeah.
Okay, sorry about that.
Yeah.
Okay, so we're gonna do a when green flag is clicked, and then we're gonna do a go to X and Y, okay? And I'm gonna do 100. So I want, who's my volunteer that can draw on the screen?
Me,
Who's me?
Barack.
Okay, Barack, I want you to draw a circle around the 100 on the X line. So the orange is the X line. Draw a circle around the 100. Okay. And then now I'm going to change the Y to be 100. Okay, now draw a circle around the Y 100. Now draw lines to make those 2 points intersect with each other. Do you know what that means? No, you have to go straight up and straight right. So not a straight line. So intersect would be like this. If I draw a line all the way up and down like this, and then I draw a line all the way over, do you see where they cross each other right there in the middle?
Yeah.
So you have to draw the line straight to find out. And then this is how you can do this on your own without using the computer to find out where the coordinates go to. Okay. Does anyone else know how to do good job, Barack. Does anyone else know how to do annotations? Marin, do you know how to do annotations? It's in your Zoom. There's an annotate button. Uh-oh, who'd I lose? Did I lose everybody? Oh no. All right, Marin, are you there?
Yes.
Okay, I realize we're running out of time, so I'm gonna go over your homework, okay? We'll
Okay.
practice more with coordinates later. So Tyler, I'm gonna, Tyler, I want you to make sure you have your